You know there's one Atari to 600. Cartridge, that's basically the holy grail of retro gaming. Air Raid was released in tiny numbers in 1982 by a tiny publisher called Menavision, and unlike any other Atari game, it came in a blue T-handle shaped cart that collectors instantly recognize. The gameplay itself was a simple shooter, where you defend the city from bombers, but it's the scarcity that makes it legendary. Only about a dozen copies are known today, and boxed copies with manuals have sold for tens of thousands of dollars at Action. Still got old games in your attic? You never know what treasure could be hiding.